Alright, so quick little update. It's broken. It's still broken. However, you've probably seen it already if you're at this point. I have gaskets, copper spray, new timing light, and the head bolts. So, all the heater hose lines, carbs off. It's in pretty good shape. Guy that sold it to me said he rebuilt it, so. Which, I mean, it got fuel. It's just this little guy over here that was our issue. So, cut all the plug wires off. All that shit was mismatched. Whoever put it on didn't know what the fuck they were doing, so I had super long ones on 7 and 8, and super short ones on 1 and 2, and it was just a fucking clusterfuck. So we're gonna keep tearing into it. Update. I got that side off. I pulled all except for the 2 outside ones, and then my stupid ass pulled this one and it dropped. I didn't think about it. I cut the exhaust, but I thought I cut it after where they connect, but I didn't. So that side fell and broke the fucking spark plug off. But that's what you do when you get in a hurry. This side, however, that bolt was missing. This bolt was loose. This bolt was loose. And this bolt's missing. And the outside one is loose. So I come over here and start cranking on this one, which this one was already loose because this is where my power steering bracket was. So I just threaded that back in, but I didn't expect all these to be loose. So when I pulled this one completely out, it started doing that number. But I couldn't notice because I was running pretty much open manifolds. So I got it cut right there, so I didn't need a full exhaust system because, you know, fucking race car. Alright, so distributor's out, manifolds are off, all the intake bolts are out. Just gotta break it free. Looks like I got one more bolt in the back for a ground. I'll be good to go. The way I set top dead center, because I don't have there's nothing on there to give me timing that I see. So what I did was I just turned it over till my exhaust valve opened and shut, kept turning, then my intake opened and shut, and then gave it about, I don't know, another 20 degrees or so. I have a timing light. I'll get all that down there sorted out later. Not too worried about the timing right now. Main goal for today, get the good heads on, get it all put back together, get the distributor somewhat close, and we'll go from there. So I didn't do a lot of the teardown just because I can't bend over this and hold the phone and talk and do everything else, but I figured you might want to see this actual pull the head off. Making a fucking mess. Looks like it's 99% water and 1% antifreeze anyway, so it's fine. Fucking intake bolts were nasty. Look at this shit. Fucking gross. I don't know what this motor came out of. When I ran the number, it said it was a probably a pickup. I don't know the miles. I don't even really know the miles on the car. The car, I think the title said 185, but I'm not really sure. Alright. Well, I'll be back when I get this head off. I'm gonna trust my phone to stay there. I don't think it's going to. It's probably gonna fall. It's okay. Mint. You don't need push rods. Okay. These fucking pistons look great. Take spray like a champ. I'm not gonna worry about the push rods falling out. To be honest, I don't give a fuck about this motor. There's no reason to. It's a 305. If I blow it up, nobody will cry over it. Looks like a number 2. Alright. Still pissed about that spark plug. So head gasket actually looks like pretty good shape. I'm surprised. See any blown out areas. Water jackets are all fucked up. Not bad. Might be able to salvage that head. Thought about it, I might just, I don't know what to do with those heads. Might use them for something. It's not worth the money to take it to a machine shop and have them stud it, so. Bro, I'm pretty happy with this. It's not bad. Clean that up. Work on the other side. The other side's not even loose yet. This was the problem side I was more concerned with. The other side should be fine. So, it's been a new development. Remember how I said the passenger side was the bad side and we'll worry about the driver's side later? I don't know if you noticed in the video, the guy was out there fucking around, and I just so happened to look over the number 1 cylinder exhaust valve and the push rod, and that shit busted. That shit all sorts of fucked up. I'm sure it'll be fine. Just have to stand it up and tap it. No, I'm gonna replace it, but just another thing. I think I have decided to run a nitrous route, so we'll dump $1,000 at that motor and put a nitrous plate, carb, cam, push rods, I suppose. But I'm done for the day. It's like 100 degrees and it's only noon, so we'll fuck with it tomorrow and we'll see what the number the driver's side looks like.